this was very important, and myself and Simon and Sanguinetti have been talking regularly. We had to find the right sponsors, the right time to do this tournament, and of course the combinations between Sans Souci and Tower Isle had to work very well. So we get the approval from Mr. Issa, the chairman, and of course he was very excited about it and said, I'm hosting the bigger event in Negril, so I can host now the bigger events also in Ocherias. Couples Tower Isle, used to have tennis tournament on a regular basis. Sans Souci a little less, but just remind you, Sans Souci used to have some exhibition of celebrities of tennis for many years, and used to bring some great players. But now, it's time for us to move forward and to look for more events in Ocherios. We want to bring back that excitement. We have to work with the juniors, and we have some plan of increasing the number of courts in the areas. And so the future looking bright now that the pandemic is gone, and we can focus on the business, and we can focus on really getting some extra talents out there.